Hey guys, what's up? Brandon Romero here from Straight Motion. I am talking with you guys today about a book that I've been reading. It is called Spark, The Revolutionary Guide to New Science and Exercise and the Brain. And I'm really excited about this particular book by Dr. John Ratey. And just as you guys are coming on, go ahead and feel free to like, go ahead and feel free to share this, and just drop a comment and go, tell me why you would want to learn about the brain and why you would want to know about how exercise and movement work together to make us strong and make us sharp. Now, how important is the brain, you guys? How important is it? Everything we do is all connected between the brain and the body and the communication that goes between. And from last century, most scientists thought everything was all hardwired, nothing was changeable. And we're finding more and more that the cells within our brain are constantly changing. They're constantly creating new connections, and the brain has such an impact on learning, and learning has an impact on the brain, and we're seeing that it's a very exciting subject to see how exercise comes into this. Now, just to give you a background, the brain is like a generator for the body. Like if we were to talk about a house, you know, that in terms of a house configuration, the generator is the brain, and it's sending out energy so you can use your microwave, your hair dryer, your oven. And in terms of the brain, it's the prefrontal cortex, and it's sending signals out to the body through the spinal cord. The energy and the neurons are connecting to make your hand just do something simple like wave. Now, we're seeing more and more that that cells are changing in the environment that you're in. Whether you are connecting with different people, it changes how your brain is. If you isolate and go away from people, you actually lose those connections. Just like if you go sit like on your couch and isolate yourself, a lot of those brain cells that are firing cease. Now, have you ever heard the term that alcohol kills brain cells and they never grow back? Well, guess what? They do. They do grow back. It's crazy. And that process we're seeing is called neurogenesis. Nerves and forming of something. Now, what role does exercise play within cell growth and learning? Well, when you exercise, you stimulate blood flow, you stimulate all those processes. It kicks off elevation of hormones and different chemicals that actually help increase the speed, the efficiency, and the growth of new cells. And if you start reading the book, you'll see all these studies that show that just with the power of one workout, that process is kicked off. It's really cool. So that's kind of all I wanted to talk to you guys about tonight, was just that the power of even one exercise, one 35 minute exercise, has the power to help impact your brain and learning and growing new cells. So I will see you guys later, and go ahead and check out the blog later on straightmotion.com.